Alright, sorry for the sporadic uploads, but I'm working with what I got. This is mostly going to be a silent video for the first bit of it because being at work, yada yada, it is what it is. I'm going to show you the work shifter that I put together. It's for an Evo 7-9, but I threw it on the Evo 6 shifter base. It works. I'll get that put together, and then in another episode we'll try it out on the car. After that, stick around for some pulls and some fun to be had. It's starting to get warm out, so we're seeing more Evos out in the wild, and I am loving it. And as you can see, this is all together. Just feels nice. This is the Evo 6 or Evo 9 6-speed shifter. You can see the bodies are just different. They're different. But looking forward to slapping this in the car eventually and seeing the results. Just sitting here does feel a lot better than any stock shifter, so should be great. One thing I did not include in that silent video of mine was this. Gotta have a little bushing here. Don't lose that. But everything works, functions as it should. Awesome. And that's the episode. I will have another upload ready for you shortly. It's mostly just the spotting and getting around, getting to see all the Evos that are coming out of hibernation type video. And we're getting ready to produce some cool summer content here. So I love this time of year in Canada. Lots of cool stuff, lots of rare cars, lots of strange cars. We'll see. So till then,